Children, today I am going to start the new chapter. The title of the chapter is Yoga. The title of the chapter is Yoga, and today's topic is meaning and importance of yoga. The topic of the day is meaning and importance of yoga. So I am going to start with the meaning of yoga. Children, what did you know about yoga or yoga? Yoga or yoga, both are correct. Some people tell it yoga, some people recite it yoga. What is yoga? Children, yoga is derived from a Sanskrit word use. Yoga is derived from a Sanskrit word use, which means to unite or to join. Children, in this chapter you will get the maximum Sanskrit word. Okay, so yoga is derived from a Sanskrit word use, which means to unite or to join. Okay, so yoga is derived from a Sanskrit word use, which means to unite or to join. It is concerned with the union of individual soul with divine soul. It is concerned with the union of individual soul with divine soul, supreme soul. Children, what is the meaning of the soul? In Hindi, soul means Atma. In this chapter, I will also speak in some word in the Hindi also. So, yoga is derived from a Sanskrit word use, which means to unite or to join. It is concerned with the union of individual soul with the divine soul. It is a science. It is a science of development of man's consciousness. It is a science of development of man's consciousness. In other words, yoga is the unification of Atma with Paramatma. In other words, yoga is the unification of Atma with Paramatma. Atma means soul, Paramatma means God. So, yoga is unification of Atma with Paramatma. Through the some quotation related in yoga, I will discuss about the meaning. According to Patanjali is also the originator of the yoga, father of yoga. Patanjali tells, checking the impulses of mind is yoga. Checking the impulses of mind is yoga. Maharshi Ved Vyas composed the Mahabharata, and he given a very nice quotation. Yoga is attaining the pose, means we can adapt the different type of the pose when you will study the two holy books, Ramayana and Mahabharata. That time people do the yogic activities in front of the God, Paramatma, to get the different type of the position. I will discuss here with the example. In Ramayana, when Ram, Sita and Lakshman in the Vanvas period, when Sita demands to the leather of deer, हिरण की खाल जब मांगती हैं, but deer was the mama of the Ravan. Due to the hard practice, due to the hard yoga, that person was able to adopt a different type of the pose through the yoga. So yoga is attaining the pose. Swami Sampurnanand has given another nice quotation. Yoga is spiritual Kamdhenu. Children, you have listened about the Kamdhenu. Kamdhenu was a cow, एक गाय थी, and that cow was able to provide or fulfill your all type of the wishes. Means yoga is spiritual Kamdhenu. When you will perform it regularly, regularity is very important. You can get everything like Kamdhenu. Swami Digambar ji also have given a quotation. Yoga is union of Atma and Paramatma. When you will try or when you will do regular practice, really you can meet to the Paramatma, God. So I hope that you have understood the meaning of yoga. Okay, so I am going to start the next topic of the day is importance of yoga. Children, what are the importance? Yoga is science as well as the art of living. Yoga is science as well as the art of living for a healthy, happy, and prosperous life. Thus, its effect are mostly internal. Okay, yoga is science as well as the art of living for a healthy, happy, and prosperous life. Thus, its effects are mostly internal. The regular practice of yoga develops and purifies body and mind to its optimal level. Regular practice of yoga develops and purifies body and mind. Regularity is very important to its optimum level, top level. Regularity is very important to get everything through yogic activities. Okay, the following points clearly show the importance of yoga, such as physical purity, Okay, the first importance of yoga is physical purity. Internal organs of our body can be cleaned by regular practice of yogic activities. The main purpose of yoga is to provide sound body with tension free and sound body. The main purpose of yoga is to provide sound body. Sound body means healthy body with tension free and sound body. Tension free and sound body, healthy body. It should be tension free. Okay. The another importance of yoga is reduces stress and tension. Reduces what is the another importance? It reduces stress and tension. The modern age has disturbed a person's peace and happiness. Because of stress and tension. Children, in the modern age, you will get everyone are running behind money, and in such condition it disturbs a person's peace and happiness and increases stress and tension. In such condition, yogic activities like Padmasana, Savasana, Vajrasan, Sukhasan are more beneficial to remove it, but regularity is very important. When you are suffering from any type of the stress and tension, perform the Padmasana, Savasana, Vajrasan, Sukhasan. These yogic activities are more beneficial to remove it, or it maybe control such type of the problems. But one thing is very important: regularity. When you will not perform it, when you will not do it regularly, you cannot control any type of the stress and tension. At the place of the removing or reducing, you can increase it. Okay, the another importance of the yoga is cure and prevention of diseases. Children, regular practice of yoga can prevent many diseases like cough. Regular practice of yoga can prevent the many diseases like cough when you will perform Kapalbhati, and Anilom Vilom. More beneficial to control or remove cough from our body. Really, we can control the cold through the yoga, asthma, also we can control the high blood pressure, acidity, as well as menstrual disorder. Regulate properly. Also, we can control the back pain through regular practice of the yoga. Children, In the modern age, yoga is a gift for the human, and it can control the large number of the diseases. But mostly I am using a word regularity. Regularity is very important. Like you are study to get the higher marks, get success in life, to get a good jobs. Study is also a yoga. Same like to remove the some physical as well as the mental problems through the regular practice of the yoga. Remove postural deformity. Remove postural deformity. If you are not having, if you are not having proper posture, you are not able to perform your activities efficiently. If you are not having proper posture or good posture are very important to perform any activity efficiently. We get the speed through the good posture. And yogic activities help in perform on regular basis. Your activities help in perform on regular basis. Regularity is very important to remove the postural deformity, and you will get a good posture. Some yogic activities like Bhujangasana, Padmasana, Paschimottasana, Vajrasana, Dhanurasana, etc. These yogic activities are more useful to remove postural deformities. But it should be on regular basis. Children, you can also prevent. What you will prevent? Prevent प्री मैच्योर एजिंग, you can control premature aging, regular yogic activities. Are more useful to delay aging process. And eat beautify, eat beautify the outlook of individual and appreciate it by everyone in society. Regular yogic activities are more useful to delay aging process. In the age of 50, you will look like the 40 years. It also beautify the outlooks of individual and appreciated by the everyone in society. When you join any party like the birthday, marriage, etc., there people appreciate to your outlook, to your personality, and you can get it only through the regular yogic practices. So children, when you get time, perform the yogic activities. It will improve your efficiency. It will improve your smartness, beautify your outlooks, as well as it will prevent your premature aging. So children, yoga are the gift of the modern humans, because in this modern age we are very busy to the different tasks. No time for the physical activities, but you can perform it anywhere in your home, out of the home, any places, and you can motivate to your society to perform it. So children, when you got the time, do regular physical activities as the yoga. The another importance of the yoga is improves health and reduces obesity. Children, in this modern age, more number of the youngs are suffering from the increasing of the weight, and increasing the weight causes obesity, and obesity is a disease in yourself, and you can control it through regular practice of yoga for about 30 minutes, not perform it the 1 hours and 2 hours. Only give 30 minutes per day. Leads to perfect health and fruitful life. Very easy. Regular practice of the yoga leads the perfect health and fruitful life. But when you will give the time, when yoga and pranayam if practiced regularly, reduces obesity and the person be flexible and healthy. Why not perform the yogic activities? Because when we will perform it, we can control the obesity and we can become the flexible and healthy person of the society as well as the person of the own family. There are more importance of the yogic activities. Some another importance of the yogic activities as rehabilitation. Of injury. What is the rehabilitation? When we take the time to cure any injury or duration to cure any injury known by the rehabilitation period. Some yogic activities you can perform in the condition of injury. Yes or no? 100%. We can perform the some yogic activity in the condition of the injury. So children, yoga is very important for the everyone. You or we can perform it in the bedroom also, but regularity is very important. Okay, so during rehabilitation of the injury we can perform the yoga. The another importance of the yoga is increase willpower. Increases willpower and confidence. Children, willpower and confidence is very important for everyone, and we can get it through only yogic activities. It will develop our willpower and confidence level when we will perform it on the regular basis. So children, yoga is gift, but when we will perform it regularly, really we can improve our willpower, confidence level, as well as we can remove the problems of the cardiac. We can remove the cardiac problems through the regular yogic activities. In the day, more number of the peoples are suffering from the cardiac problem due to the overtension. And children, yoga is more beneficial to develop concentration. Develop yoga is very important for the development of the concentration level, and especially for you are the student. In these days we are suffering from the COVID-19, and during COVID-19 not allowed to go out of home. There are more number of the coronavirus patients. So children, perform it inside of the home and develop the concentration level. And concentration level are very important for the students. When you will not concentrate your mind, you cannot improve your knowledge, stability. So these are very important for everyone. So that's all. Thank you so much.